Hey y'all, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic, and I am here this morning to show you just a quick, easy little, I don't know, I guess it's really just a whim that I had. I'm working on getting out Valentine's decorations, and I'm working on my tiered tray, and I just needed a little something. I don't know about you, but every time I get decorations out and I'm pulling stuff out of the boxes, I can't ever really remember how they went last year or how I displayed them necessarily, especially when it's something like a tiered tray. I probably should take better pictures. Actually, I did go back and try to look at some pictures to see how I had stuff. But it's fun every year to just reimagine it, add new stuff or whatever. And I got everything in the tiered tray, and I was like, there's something missing. I need something tall right there in the back, And I could run to Hobby Lobby and spend money, but who wants to, well, I can't say I don't want to go to Hobby Lobby because I always do, but in the spirit of frugalness, we're going to make our own because that's what we do here. We DIY all the things. So I just thought, what can I do? And so I ran outside, I grabbed some twigs out of my yard, I ran upstairs and grabbed some black buttons, some red buttons, some pink buttons, and some white buttons. And I grabbed my handy dandy little hot glue gun. And so we are going to simply glue on some buttons onto these sticks, and I'll show you how we're going to display them. So super easy little decorating hack. It might take a minute for that glue to set. I'm just simply gluing one big button at the top. I've got all different sizes of buttons, so you can mix them up. I'm gonna put a pink one. Super easy. I have one button. I did this one already. Look at this guy. It's kind of got some twirly action happening. So cute and so easy. And I collect buttons, so I had a plethora. If you didn't have buttons, you could do this with maybe some rhinestones, some swatches of material. You could, if you had some Valentine colors, you could just cut swatches and tie them in knots or bows, and that would be cute. You could use ribbon. Tons of ways you could display your buttons. And okay, that's one. I'm gonna do one more. But yeah, you could even, if you have scrapbook paper or construction paper, you could cut out hearts and glue on your sticks. Tons of ways to just make a fun little feature that doesn't cost a lot of money. Like I said, these little twigs came out of my yard. Not hard. And so this is what I'm doing. You'll see I have all my sticks. I'm going to finish this in a minute, but I'm simply just putting them in a jar like that. I'll take a picture and post it, the finished product, but they're going to reside in this jar in my tiered tray, and they're just going to give that extra height in the back that I need. So I hope this inspires you to try to make it yourself before you run to Hobby Lobby. So I love you guys. Happy crafting.